The National Restoration and Facility Services Contractors Rewards Program is very simple. When you, an independent contractor, come across a residential or commercial job where restoration services are needed, just encourage your customer to call us at 1-855-24-RESTORE. That's 1-855-247-3786. Once your customer becomes our customer, you will receive 10% of the emergency services billed. This 10% includes a $250 payment to you, paid up front.
If they get the job signed up, you get the, I guess right off is the $250. After that, anything above what's needed to be done, the remainder 10% of that, if it's more than the $250, that's, they would send it. So far, I think this last job is going to be, I think you said something like a $15,000, $16,000 job.
We get calls for emergencies every day, and sometimes the emergencies are very severe. The last job I just got was they flooded out the stores. There was 3 stores, they were totally demolished. We called National Restoration for them. They came down and took care of the customer immediately. They were back in business within a couple days. My customer called me up the next day, told us how excited they were, and we're going to use them from now on.
National Restoration Facility Services is looking to work with quality, independent contractors, and our rewards program is our way of saying thank you. Remember on your next job to take advantage of our Contractors Rewards program. It's simple and profitable to you. Thank you.